Hello to all the viewers of 100 on 100 in Eco platform. Today I will be sharing with you two economic news which will be very helpful for grade 9th and 10th students ICSE. So here's the first piece of information for grade 9th. Students, you must be learning about tertiary sector and unemployment. Accenture company, which is a consulting agency obviously falling under tertiary sector, is a multinational company having an office in India. In the year 2022, it has globally promoted 1,57,000 employees, out of which 60,000 employees have been promoted from India, indicating a pool of talent in India, and the company would like to retain such performing employees. Here's the second piece of information for grade 10th. Government has decided to give incentive worth 3,500 crores to the toy making industry in order to boost exports. To make the toy making industry globally competitive, it's going to make sure that the toy making industry follows the norms laid down by the Bureau of Indian Standard.